Students, we are going to discuss chemical reactions of ether, ether's reaction with HX. When the HX is HI, the reaction is done with a high rate, and with HF the reaction rate is slow. Now we will take an example. Methoxyethane reacts with HI, alkyl halide and ethanol is formed. So methoxyethane on reaction with HI gives you idomethane and ethanol. Let's discuss with the help of mechanism. See, in this reaction SN2 mechanism is followed. Ethers react with HI. In first step, protonation of ethers take place. As oxygen has lone pair, so protonation of ether is done and iodide ion is released. These iodide ion attack to the alkyl part, which is less hindered in ethers, and give the formation of transition state. In this transition state, methyl group, alkyl group, which is less hindered, start bonding with iodide ion and breaking the bond with alcoholic part. At the same time, the bond breaks and idomethane is formed and ethanol is formed. So when we are taking equal amount of HI and ethers, one molecule of alkyl halide and one molecule of alcohol is formed. But if we are taking HI in excess, the reaction take place. Further reaction takes place. This ethanol molecule, which is formed in first reaction, reacts with HI again. Protonation of alcohol take place. After that, there is an attack of iodide ion on a protonated alcohol and give the formation of other alkyl halide molecule. See here, when we are taking equimolar amount of ethers and HI, alkyl halide and alcohol is formed. When we are taking in excess, both molecule of alkyl halide is formed. See, so it's very important to see the reactant part of this reaction. See students, let's take the another example of ethers going to react with HI. Alkyl halide is formed, alcohol is formed because we are taking alkyl halide, taking HX and ethers in equimolar amount. Now discuss with the help of mechanism. See students, in first step, protonation of ethers take place when it is react with HI. So let's do the protonation. Here protonation of ethers take place with the evolution of iodide ion. After the evolution of iodide ion, the iodide ion has to attack this protonated ethers. This protonated ethers. Now, from where iodide ion has to attack? See students, now we have to decide the reaction has to go SN1 mechanism or SN2 mechanism. See, when OH bond, when the bond breaks from here, tertiary carbocation forms, and if the bond breaks from this side, CH3 carbocation is formed, which is primary. So in this step, carbocations are formed. Reactions take place in two steps. So the mechanism is SN1. In this reaction, in first step, here there is a formation of carbocation. So iodide ion is formed and CH3OH is formed. Because the mechanism is SN1, because when the bond breaks, tertiary carbocation is formed and tertiary carbocation is more stable. That's why iodide ion attacks tertiary carbocations and we get the product alkyl halide as well as ethanol. But your alkyl halide is tertiary.